Hey, plug up. Plug. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk.
Yo, what's up, you crazy bastards? Hope you guys are doing great today. We are logged in here to EtherLink, and you can see the price is 67 cents, all-time high. Yesterday/today was 88 cents. Shit's just crashing the fuck down. Alright, now, this is a good place to probably scoop up some EtherLink if you want to. Get a loan in. They did remove the price down to $3 on the Eternal Exchange. So, if you want to lock in a loan, you might want to do it now before the price drops even farther. Hopefully this price will meet up with the peg price, yet who knows. Thanks for watching this short little quickie, and I will see you guys in the next video. Leave a thumbs up, comment if you like videos like this.
Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk.